mentioned, yesterday we had learned about the cells. Okay, there are organisms which are unicellular. काही ऑर्गॅनिझम असतात की जे मल्टी सेल्युलर असतात, सिंगल सेल आणि मल्टी सेल. आता हे जे सेल्स प्रेझेंट राहणार आहेत, लाईक ब्लड सेल्स आहेत, सरफेस स्किन सेल्स आहेत, बोन सेल्स आहेत, स्केलेटल, कार्डियक म्हणून, कॉलमनर, इपिथेलियल, otherwise neuron or smooth muscle cells. All these cells are present in a multicellular living organism. Amoeba is the unicellular organism. Yes. So in that, these types of cells are not going to be in the unicellular organism. But in the case of multicellular organisms like animals are there, like human beings are there, in that these different types of cells are there. Yesterday what we have discussed, there are some cells which are the smallest cell in the humans, like sperm cell. There are some cells which are largest in the human cell. For example, ovum cells, or you can say egg cells. Longest cell, this is the longest cell in the human body. It is called as the neuron. And which is the largest cell in the animal, that is the egg cell, ostrich egg cell. It is near about 18 centimeter with its cover, with its shell, and without its shell, it is only about 15 centimeter. It is the longest, or you can say largest cell in the animals, which has the size of 15 centimeter. Today we are going to discuss about the cell shapes. We know cells are there, multicellular organism, different cells are there. But that cells are classified as different cells. You can say they are of different shapes. As per their function, as per their variation, there are of different types of cells. For example, blood cells are there. We know in our body there is the presence of blood, and the kidney is there, which filtrates the blood. In kidney also there are cells. Nephron cells, you are going to study for it. Nephron cells. But in the blood we have cells, and these are the shapes of the blood. And we know that RBC, WBC, they are in the spherical shape, or you can say biconcave shape. They are said to be the biconcave shape. Next, if you see surface skin cells. Surface skin cells are present on our skin. This is our skin. If you see this skin, and they are said to be the flattened cells. If you see, they are visible like flattened cells. And in bone, osteocytes, the cells, osteocytes, their shape is like this, bone cells, osteocyte cells. If you see columnar epithelium and goblet cells, they are actually cup-like cells. Column, if you see, these columns are there. Columnar epithelium. Where are they present? They are present in the digestive tracts, inner lining of intestine, digestive tracts, alimentary canal. These cells are present. Columnar and goblet cells. Goblet cells, whenever the stem cells are produced, at that time they are said to be goblet cells. These are the cardiac muscle cells. We know in our body we have the heart. What is the function of the heart? Heart pumps the blood. Heart pumps the blood. Filtered blood is sent to whole body, to the brain, to every part of the body. In that heart, the cells are there that are the cardiac muscle cells. Cardiac, they are the involuntary muscle cells. They work continuously, 24 hours. They are in the working condition. These cardiac muscle cells. Next, if you see skeletal muscle cells, they are present in our body, like tendons, ligaments. Here, these types, they are present. Tendons and ligaments, skeletal muscle cells. And neuron, there are three different types. You are going to learn. Sensory neuron, motor neuron, you are going to study in the further classes. So this is the neuron, and neuron is also said to be the longest cell in the human body. Longest cell, largest cell, longest. Neuron cell, where it is present? Brains, spinal cord, where it is present. And these smooth muscle cells are present in the total human body, everywhere, maximum in the human body. These cells are going to be present. These cells are going to be big cells, smooth muscle cells.